Stop.
Guys, pick her up and just take... Oh! What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. But what I do are these videos every single day where I walk into a brand new situation that's on YouTube. Blindly. I don't read anything beforehand. I just raw dog it. I just raw dog it. I walk in blindly and use my law enforcement background to give you an idea as to what the cops are thinking, because every time I read a news article, in the comments there's always one question that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What are the cops thinking, and what are they doing? Why do they make me so mad? So I'm here to answer that question and whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Body Cam Files. Girl decides to fight after being trespassed. Uh-oh. No fancy edits, nothing like that. Just raw dogging it. Here we go.
On December 13th, 2021, the police were called onto a public lounge about a woman trespassing for the second time. Upon arrival, the officers talked with the suspect.
Did you see the way he pressed that?
Upon arrival, the officers talked with the suspect.
Sir.
Okay.
And
what if she's just publicly lounging? What's the problem with that? The problem is she's been trespassed once before, so she's committing criminal trespass currently. That's why they're here.
Dallas, the police department. Hey, you got your ID on you? Is it in that purse by chance?
It's not.
It is not?
No, it is not.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to give out any identities.
What's your first name?
I'm not here to get any identities, sir.
His face. He literally... She started talking and he just... It blew his mind. He's trying to process reality right now. He can't believe what's happening. He's in total shock right now.
Okay, you were talking just fine. Let's talk normal. What's your first name?
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm here to go.
Also,
No, you're going to tell us your first name.
is he 13 years old?
I'm sorry.
He's part of the
We can do this
Explorers
easy way.
program.
Hard way. It's up to you.
That's what I do.
We're trying to find out who
What
you
is
are.
your first name, my lady?
My fair lady.
We're trying to make sure you're safe and find out who you are real quick, okay? If you don't have any warrants or anything like that, then we're good. But I need to get your first name and all that information, okay?
I just woke up and I have deep sleep.
I got
so I'm
you.
just not interested in doing that.
Understandable, but this ain't a bedroom.
Oh, okay, I'm going to walk to my bedroom.
Where's your bedroom?
I'm not interested in telling anybody right now. I just woke up from my sleep.
Uh-huh.
What's your first name?
Interesting.
I'm not here to give out any names.
What's that?
I'm not here to give out any names, sir. I'm so sorry.
Well, you're not free to leave right now.
Okay, huh?
So let's begin with your first name, because are you familiar with what resisting is? If you don't give me your information, that is what we call resisting.
Yes, sir.
So what is your first name?
Interesting. So in past videos, I've always never understood resisting without violence. It must be this. That does not exist in Nebraska. That's just failure to identify. So it must just be called resisting without violence elsewhere.
Young lady.
I don't have one.
Open up your purse and give me your ID.
I don't have one.
Hmm?
I don't have one, sir.
You don't have one?
No, I actually have to get my ID back today.
From where?
My girlfriend's house, allegedly.
Okay, then give my officer your first name.
No, thank you.
Huh? No, give him it now.
So she does have to identify herself because she's literally committing a crime. She's criminally trespassing.
Or we're gonna go in cuffs and we're gonna walk downstairs and I'll find out who you are later. You said she's been trespassed before by officers and everything? You got the case number?
Yes, sir. I was just contacting my supervisor, and it looks like her too.
Okay. 602 dispatch.
Okay, no, thank you, sir.
This guy was prepared, man. Good for him.
I had the skateboarding on and I fell asleep. I apologize.
Okay.
Now they're watching racing.
You're the only one in here.
We're just trying to help you make sure you're okay.
Can you please move out the way?
Huh?
Can you please not stand over me like that?
I'm not trying to intimidate you or anything, but If you live here, why are you sleeping up here on the couch?
I said I was watching skateboarding and
Oh, you're watching something? Oh, okay.
Does not feel good. I gotta use the restroom.
Not yet.
Guys, it's important to note that no human is illegal, okay? So just keep that in mind throughout, you know, as we watch this, no human is illegal. So just keep that in mind. It's very important.
I really do have to use
I
the
know,
restroom.
no, right now.
Okay, well, I'm going.
No, dude, no, stop.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch
sit
me.
over here. Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch
Go
me.
sit back over there.
Well, then you need to
You're
listen.
not free to go. Stop.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there.
Please don't touch me.
Go sit back over there. Stop. You're not free to go.
You're not free to touch me.
Yes, I am.
Am I being
Go-
detained?
Yes, you are detained.
What?
I would cuff her
What?
right
For
now.
investigation, go sit down.
What type of investigation?
I'm not gonna take it. Sit
Let
down.
go of
I would
me.
cuff her right
Let go of
now.
me.
Sit down.
Seriously, let go of me.
Sit down.
Seriously?
If you don't
Let
sit
go
down,
of
we'll
me.
put you in cuffs.
Seriously, let go of me.
Turn around. Turn around. Stop.
Hold on.
Stop. Sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
I love just the the takedown and her face just like hits the couch.
Seriously, let go of me.
Sit down.
Seriously?
If you don't
Let
sit
go
down,
of
we'll
me.
put you in cuffs.
Seriously, let go of me.
Turn around.
Seriously.
Turn around. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Okay, put her in
Stop
cuffs, guys.
resisting.
What are we doing?
Stop.
Seriously, let go of me.
No.
I got you.
Okay,
Put her in
why?
cuffs.
What did I do?
Will do.
Just asked to use the restroom?
You walked away while I told you not to. Also, no human is illegal. Keep that in mind.
Good, just keep, yeah.
Yep.
People make it so hard on themselves.
Put her on the ground. Instead of punching her onto this. Lady, would you stop?
I'm just sitting here watching that face. I'm just sitting here watching this going, I don't miss it. Like, this is 90% of policing right here. Just being everyone's babysitter when they don't want to listen. You have to sit down. Stop. Just stop. Sit down.
Seriously?
For those who are watching this thinking this is cruel, reminder,
You just kicked me?
she chose this.
Oh, what do you do? I'm scared if I can use the restroom. Sir, will you walk me to the restroom?
You're under
That's
arrest.
definitely not happening.
So she doesn't try to slip them.
Stop
Now you're
kicking
going
me.
to jail for
Stop
freaking
kicking
battery
me.
on LEO.
She's like, who's Elio?
Double up in here.
That's that way.
So I've explained it many times. Double lock just prevents her from being clamped down on her wrists tighter.
Stop.
No human is illegal.
You stop kicking and stop squirming.
I'm gonna take a guess. She's gonna pee
755 dispatch.
on purpose at some point.
Stop kicking!
Let me use the restroom.
You will when you get to go to jail.
Please stop. Please. Get your hands off my ass. Please get your hands off of my ass. Please.
My hands aren't off your ass. Knock it off.
Hey, Sarge,
Can
if
you
you
get
got
your
a
hands off my
hobble,
ass?
or if somebody else wants to come here with a hobble, she's like kicking us and everything too.
Please get your hands off of my ass. Please.
Is your ass in your lower back?
Stop. Please just let me use the restroom. That's all I asked. Holy shit.
Guys, you can...
Stop kicking, okay?
I think they're waiting for backup is what they're doing.
What is wrong? What did I
Well,
do?
you're under arrest for trespassing. You're under arrest for battery on LEO now.
Oh,
We're gonna just.
Elio is not his name. A Leo, a law enforcement officer, is like, I think that's what he's saying.
Have you write a statement too about the previous incident, and then was that?
Let me use the restroom.
Guys, I'm telling you, I have a strong feeling she's gonna urinate. She's gonna urinate herself on purpose. I've been in like 6 of these positions where they do exactly that.
The restroom. Seriously.
Yes, sir. No worries.
But again, she chose this. They don't have to let her use the
Yeah, don't worry,
restroom.
sir.
I guarantee you she'll be just fine.
Stop.
Can you get off of me?
No,
Why?
because you're kicking us. And
Because you're on me.
Because you're resisting us.
Yeah,
No, I'm
you
asking
chose
if I
this.
can do something. Will you walk me?
No,
I'm not resisting.
you are resisting.
What?
Why am I going to trust you now when you didn't do what we asked the first time?
What did you
Exactly.
ask?
To stop kicking us, and what do you do? Keep kicking us.
You're
I
pathetic.
asked you to
Okay.
sit down, you wouldn't sit
Get off
down.
of me. Get off of me.
Relax.
Get off of me.
Stop.
You have made a mess of this
Get
public
off of
lounge
me.
Stop
I
hitting your
have
head
to use
with
the
your Lay's potato chips.
Stop hitting your head into
restroom.
things.
Get off of me. You're hurting me so badly. Get off of me. Please get off of me.
These types don't like to take accountability for their actions. That's what this is. Oh my.
Please let go of me.
Stop.
You have no fucking clue what this is. Let go of me. Holy shit, bro. Please stop. You're scaring me. Get off of my back now.
Stop.
Guys, pick her up and just take. Oh. That couldn't have felt great. My favorite is when they're like, "You're hurting me," and then they do something like 10 times worse to themselves. Oh my god, dude. And then she tries to bite him. Nice.
Please, get off of me.
She just scratched me too.
Get off of me, pathetic piece of shit. Just let me use the restroom. Please stop.
Alright, so here's the third officer, I would imagine. That should be enough to get this girl in a police car.
Yeah.
Why are you doing this?
Because you kicked us.
All I said was I didn't want to sit down. I wanted to use the restroom. It's literally it. Can I use the restroom? Get off of my back.
Stop hitting your head against the ground.
That's 3 times she's done that to her own head.
Yeah,
This guy's like, I hate this job.
we'll pick her up.
Get off of my back.
Sorry, I can't do that right now.
Yes,
Y'all
you
have
did.
to take her down? Yeah.
Can you grab
Stop hitting your head against
Dude.
the floor.
She's gonna cause some significant injury. And then she's gonna get to the jail and go, look what they did to me. No, you did that to yourself.
Somebody's trying to get,
I'll put it here.
whatever that is.
shit?
You're so bad.
And
My
the
hands are on your
fucking
back.
floor to your head doesn't hurt?
So stop this.
I love that there is like a wear a mask commercial going on. Oh, I guess it is 2021, so makes sense. I would get her off the ground though, or else she's gonna keep banging her head against the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what we're waiting. Okay, good.
Make sure you grab her by underneath her, by her shoulders and everything.
Do not bite
Do not
me.
try to bite him.
This.
No, you're under arrest.
No, not right there. What are you doing, sir? Is this your first day on the job? What?
Go underneath her. Yeah,
What am I under arrest for is what I'm asking.
on this one.
Criminal trespassing and assault on an officer.
What am I trespassing?
Underneath here. Okay. He's gonna get in the legs. Yeah.
So gross.
You get that, son?
Yeah.
Why are you doing this?
Because you can't behave, right?
All I asked is
I'm
to
gonna
go to
guess
the
she'll
restroom.
start
You guys
spitting
just-
at some point too.
Yeah.
She seems like a spitter.
You're hurting my ankles. Can I please walk?
We're hurting your ankles? How's your head?
Sorry.
So this must be like an apartment building. Because they're on the 5th floor.
Yeah, he's got the flashlight.
Cool.
Did she say I hate it here?
Differently. You really need to do what you're doing to my body.
Here, go down.
Well, luckily for you, you're trespassed from here, so you shouldn't even have been here in the first place.
Can you please carry me differently?
Can you walk like?
Did she
I
spit?
can walk if he doesn't put me
Okay,
in
no,
Stop.
you're spitting, you're not gonna get a chance. You understand?
Called it.
Don't spit
Alright.
on him.
Alright, now I'm waiting for her to just pee.
You got a mask going down there?
Please stop.
They usually wait to pee in the patrol car. Because you know who has to clean the pee out of the patrol cars? We do. Well, they do. Not me anymore. I don't do that anymore. I do these videos every single day.
Set her up first and just let it. Okay. Put your feet down. Put your feet down. There you go.
Good thing she's got a mask. I was worried. COVID.
There we go, there we go, there we go. Here, chug just a little bit.
Autumn was charged with trespassing an occupied structure, resisting an officer with violence, and battery on an officer.
All right, thank you, body cam files. So I guess she didn't urinate in the back of the patrol car, which she could have. I'm telling you right now, she probably did. That whole vibe is just failure to take accountability for your own actions. She knew damn well she wasn't supposed to be there. That's why they were there. And then when she all of a sudden had to go to the bathroom, which may be plausible, but the cop clearly stated, "You're not free to go, come with me," and he lightly started tugging on her sweatshirt. They gave her the option. She chose to take it that route. And then complaining about how she's in pain, but then smashing her own skull into the floor. What are you doing? Stop it. I think they did things pretty well. The moment she started slamming her head into the ground, you need to get her off the floor at that point, because she's a danger to herself, and anything she does to herself, they're going to be liable for. Any injuries, they're going to be liable for, because she is now in their custody. Other than that, I think they did a pretty decent job. They treated her respectfully until she started acting a fool. I give them a B. I think, yeah, they did pretty well. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.